Here we have the PiCTECK white noise sound machine. Just going to give a little demo to show you it's working. I have it plugged in with a USB cord. So I'm going to turn it on, and the on dial is down here, which is also the volume. So right now it is on the matrix function, and within each choice of sound here are multiple sounds within it, which you can press this button here. So there's the various matrix sounds. And then I press here. So I'm in the lullaby. And now I'm in the white noise. Now this is the New York morning. Home appliance. Hawaii wave. Next one here is zoo sound. Next one we have here is Tokyo Temple Rain. All right, so I'm just going to turn it down. So turn it all the way up. And I'm going to turn it off. So there you have it. If you're interested in purchasing this item, you can find it on my eBay store, and the link is in the description below. And one other thing I forgot to mention, at the back, there is the option for batteries. So it takes 4 AA's. And just slide that back on. And this item does come with the USB cord. Not with the plug part though, just the actual cord. So again, here you go, the PiCTECK sound machine, white noise sound machine. You can find it on my eBay store, and the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.